Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the tried and true solution for missing teeth: dental implants. If you've been dealing with tooth loss and looking for a reliable option, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the world of dental implants and discover why they remain one of the most effective tooth replacement choices throughout history. Losing a tooth can be a distressing experience, impacting our self-confidence, oral health, and even facial structure. Dental implants offer a remarkable solution to this problem, mimicking the look, feel, and function of natural teeth. No more hiding your smile or avoiding your favorite foods. Dental implants are here to change the game. So what exactly is a dental implant? Well, it consists of three main parts: the titanium implant, the abutment, and the crown. The titanium implant serves as the artificial tooth root, firmly anchored into the jawbone, while the abutment connects the implant to the crown, which is the visible part of the tooth. This structure ensures a secure and long-lasting result. Now let's walk through the dental implant procedure. First, your dentist will assess your oral health and create a personalized treatment plan. During the surgery, the titanium implant is precisely placed into the jawbone, allowing for osseointegration, the process where the bone fuses with the implant, providing a solid foundation. Once healed, the abutment and crown are attached, completing your new tooth. Let's walk through the benefit of getting dental implant. The benefits of dental implants go beyond just aesthetics. They restore proper chewing function, which aids digestion and supports overall health. Unlike dentures, implants don't slip or cause discomfort, ensuring you can confidently eat, speak, and laugh without worry. Plus, they stimulate the jawbone, preventing bone loss and maintaining facial structure. Wondering if dental implants are right for you? In general, most healthy adults with missing teeth are good candidates. Your dentist will evaluate your bone density and overall health to determine suitability. The success rates for dental implants are impressively high, making it a reliable and predictable solution. Taking care of your dental implants is easy. Regular dental hygiene practices like brushing, flossing, and visiting your dentist are essential to maintain their longevity. With proper care, your dental implants can last a lifetime. And that's a wrap on our journey into the world of dental implants. From restoring your smile to improving your oral health, dental implants have revolutionized dentistry, bringing back confidence and functionality to millions worldwide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone considering dental implants. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting dental content. Until next time, keep smiling and take care of your oral health.